he joined Lorraine Kelly on Monday morning to discuss his recent diagnosis of prostate cancer. Paul explained he had received the news last year after a full health check and explained he has been feeling emotional after starting his latest treatment for the cancer. Ahead of his appearance on Lorraine, the host told viewers he would be talking about some life-changing news. The ITV host told viewers, Paul Burrell will be here with life-changing news. He'll be sharing his cancer news for the first time in the hope that he'll help others. Welcoming him to the show, Lorraine asked how he was feeling, to which Paul explained, "I am tired, I am on hormone therapy and it is robbing me of my testosterone. I am emotional and I have hot flushes. In the summer I had to go for medical for a TV program I was doing. I had a full mo and out of that came a surprisingly high PSA test. I went to my GP, and he examined me and said you seem to be fairly normal, send you for an MRI scan." The MRI scan of course was the window in which they looked through and saw a shadow on my prostate. Consoling Paul, Lorraine exclaimed, "Oh Paul, when you get that news you never think that it is going to happen to you, do you? You are going along with your life in one way and then almost instantly it all changes." Paul added, "I am on an emotional and educational roller coaster, ups and downs and not knowing where I'm going to be the next minute. Having the biopsy itself and finding the cancer. Wrapping Christmas presents last year and thinking, am I going to be doing this next year? Am I going to be here? I need to tell my boys. I went to America over Christmas and told them and they sat with me and they held me and said, Dad, we need to spend more time with you. And that's what it's about." Paul and Lorraine were also joined by Dr. Hillary to discuss the signs and symptoms of prostate cancer. Passionate about men and women getting early diagnosis for cancer, Paul added, "There are thousands of men out there who don't have symptoms like me. I was lucky, they caught it out there. You've got loads of lovely female viewers who can say to their men, go get tested." The royal butler also opened up on the effect that his diagnosis has had on his marriage to husband Graham Cooper. "I don't want any more children, I've got 2 wonderful boys, that's fine. But not everything finishes because you lose your prostate. It can continue to be as good as it ever was in the bedroom." Paul is well known for being the royal butler of the late Princess Diana. He went on to appear in the 2004 series of I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here, and has also appeared on Stars in Their Eyes. Lorraine airs weekdays from 9 a.m. on ITV.